I'm on location. Oh gosh, wait till you hear this conversation we're having. This is one of the number one things we can do to anti-age, and it helps a lot of different health conditions. So I'm just going to bring you into the conversation. I really want to focus in on this topic of plasmapheresis. What it is, let's break it down. You're doing really some amazing stuff here, groundbreaking things. And matter of fact, if I look a little puffy, it's because I just got plasmapheresis. Yeah, so tell them what that is. Let's start there.
Yeah, so what you have done was the first step, therapeutic plasma exchange, TPE. And so today we put you in a machine and pretty much filter through the plasma to throw it away. And then we put your blood back.
Yeah.
That is the first step of removing
So
the oil
the
change.
red blood cells come in, the machine separates them, right? And takes the plasma off.
Separate.
We throw that away because that's a 60-year-old's plasma, meaning mine. And then, obviously the red blood cells are pushed back in.
And you are very healthy. Like, I know you. Know your blood work, but even then, there's just the accumulation over time.
Yeah.
And there's like a age program decline.
Yeah.
And we accumulate senescent products.
Cells that live too long, ages, and a lot of these inflammatory markers, these build up over time. Right. People with autoimmune, they have all these markers, right? Allergies, food allergies, antibodies. And when you take the plasma off, those things go away.
Right.
Yeah.
So it's kind of clean out the system and then allow your body to make new, fresh ones.
Is it as easy of a comparison to say it's like getting your oil changed?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I was like, maybe I'm way off on that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just exactly that. Just removing the dirty oil.
Okay.
So you had a liter removed, and then tomorrow we're going to remove another liter, and that will be almost all of your plasma, a little bit less. But, and then we're going to be putting in young plasma.
Young plasma.
So that's the next step.
Okay, we take the old off. We just kind of said why that's so beneficial in anti-aging, just in itself, right? And then putting new plasma in, why are we doing that?
Yeah, so it turned out in plasma, especially plasma in young donors, 18 and 25 is almost like the peak performing for human. There are a lot of good stuff, including hormones, peptides, signaling agent, and most importantly, it is loaded with exosomes. And the exosomes from young plasma have the signal and the instruction.
Okay, exosomes, I'm an artist at telling people like what that means. Stem cells produce exosomes to kind of signal healing, right? So you're saying that plasma is loaded with these signaling factors, if you will, cell factors that drive the body into repairing things. Right.
And the way I think of it, exosome is kind of like the active ingredients of stem cell. So they are what actually responsible for all the amazing actions of stem cell. They're not cells, but they carry the signal to tell the cells what to do, to give the instruction. And in this case, young plasma has exosome that kind of give the instruction for the cells to act young again.
I have to say that, one of my concerns was, okay, I want young plasma, but what about the health of the donor?
Yeah,
right?
They look at plasma from young people with different lifestyle, and it turned out the benefit from young plasma, those benefits stay consistent regardless of the individual lifestyle. So that's kind of surprising.
One of the things that you do here is, you know how people know the vampire facial? Have you ever heard of a vampire facial where you take your own plasma
PRP.
if you will, PRP, right? It's not as strong as what would come out here. But anyway, and then you microneedle the face and you put that on, right? Well, you do it with this younger plasma, right? So you do the face. So talk to them about that, because that's also, not only are we putting it in, but we're going to do the face too. And I haven't had that done yet, but we're going to do it tomorrow.
Right. So I'm a big fan of taking care of your own health as a whole, internally, but also appearance. Like if you look at yourself in the mirror and you're happy, perfect. But for me, if I have options to look as good as I can in a natural way, I'm going to do all of that.
Yeah.
Right.
Me too,
Yeah,
by the way.
yeah. And just to respect how
Mhm.
I feel and how I look, respect my body. And this is a great option because, again, it will give the signal for the skin to
Mhm.
regenerate and
Yeah.
to grow back.
Give the signal to the skin to regenerate, because as we age,
Mhm.
we're the lower these signaling
Right.
factors
Right.
via, vibrant, viable stem cells
Right.
goes down. But these
Right.
signals that we're talking about that we're
Right.
getting from plasma goes down as
Right.
well. So a lot of the repetitive injuries
Right.
that we get,
Mhm.
it's because of we don't have as many of these signaling factors that
right.
my 18-year-old son has. How long do the results last? Meaning,
Right.
like after you get it in
Right.
you, like is this happen?
Right.
Does the
Right.
benefits go for a week?
Right.
2
Right.
weeks, month, 2 months,
So it's months. Right?
months.
And it's all depending on the individual as well. If you have decent skin, or if you've been, out in the sun your life and there's a lot of damage, then it will take longer and sometimes more treatment to
Mhm.
get to the level that we really want to. So in general, I think everyone, if you can do it once a year, it'd be a great way to maintain and even to reverse the aging of your skin.
Now, someone coming to get that, they just come in, get microneedled, and then you have donor young plasma that you use, right? So it's pretty easy, actually.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
So, like everybody could get that done. Now, to get to where you take your own plasma off, you have to be connected to a machine for an hour or so. That's a little bit different. How long does that healing start? So after you get the young plasma in, how is it similar, months?
Yeah. So when we do that systemically, from my own experience, patients report feeling better surprisingly pretty quick, even like the next days or week. And typically a sense of mental clarity, cognitive improvement, more energy. Those are the first improvement. And then, better joint
So
movement, less
as time
pain.
goes on, then the joints start getting better because healing's happening. Healing takes
and
time.
the signal to heal for your body.
Does it go on for, like, I know for stem cells, tell me if I'm making a good comparison.
Yeah.
So most of the healing starts, it takes like 2 months. A lot of it's 3 and 4 months is where you get your highest peak of healing.
Right.
Is this very similar?
Part of it, but there's these immediate improvement
Yeah.
from
Okay.
all the signal from the exosome.
Okay. Yeah.
Young plasma. But then there's delay improvement that accumulate over time.
Okay.
And typically the sicker you are, the more aggressive I recommend. And so you can repeat the process in 4 to 6 months. To do this for longevity purpose, every 9 months to once a year, if possible.
Yeah.
Or, whenever you can.
Okay, so you mentioned, chronic cases. What kind of conditions have you seen great results with?
So, the initial study for young plasma exchange was done at Stanford, where they used this same protocol for patients with Parkinson's disease and Alzheimer's dementia.
Oh, wow.
And it turned out it's a very well tolerated procedure and safe, and B,
I feel fine.
Yeah, right. And it shows that people have improvement in their daily function, cognitive function. And so based on that, the Golden Gift study is kind of
And what else did it show?
So now it shows people with congestive heart failure, there's improvement in the ejection fraction, how strong the heart is squeezing. People with autoimmune condition, we know that
I have had people with autoimmune get plasmapheresis, and it was game changing for them.
Right.
And one of the persons, they get it done every 6 months, and it keeps them symptom free.
Right.
Yeah.
And then we see people with Lyme's and mole, where even when they've done multiple session of chelation, because that is another option, but it just takes a very long time. This is much quicker to remove all the bad things. And then on top of that, you give the body the signal to promote stem cells to work,
Yeah.
And there is
Because that's the thing. I mean, I'm 60. I have stem cells, of course, right? But
right,
a lot of them just needed the signals.
right,
Is that right?
right,
Mhm.
right,
Yeah.
exactly.
And then they start working again.
Right. And then it turned out age-related, there's these signal that suppress genes.
Right.
And
Yeah.
yeah,
And they suppress the bad genes. So from taking the young, it's signaling the bad genes to be put down. That's important. That's a
right. And
Yeah.
as we age, there's also suppression of the good genes that we
Right.
wanted. And now when you have that removed, that inhibition or suppression is removed. So
Right.
then we work back.
Turn on the good genes.
Right.
And then the young plasma has the ability to
Right.
turn off the
Right.
bad genes.
Right. Yeah.
That's amazing. Yeah. That's
So,
amazing. Gosh.
yeah, it's exciting.
Yeah.
And seeing more and more and just various improvement. I have the privilege to see already healthy people that, go to the next level, wanted to live longer and optimize. And then at the same time, I get to see sicker patient and at least able to provide option. And we see improvement.
Yeah. Yeah. I mean, we're in an exciting time.
Yeah.
And to be able to do these things and have these things. Now, you're going to start also carrying these things called cell factors. I connected you with one of the scientists on that. And, where you're putting in even more of these signaling factors after the bad ones are taken away. So there's actually even I don't know what they call it, an amplify even from...
And I'm a believer in that.
Yeah.
In stacking everything possible, because I think that's how the body works, right? We just kind of like an interconnected system of multiple pathways and organs, and in order to be optimized, we just need to address everything, and the weakest link is what's going to get you, so we just need to...
It's true. And I think that what excites me about this is it's using a natural way of healing. We're signaling what's already there. We're waking up your body's ability to heal that gets a little sleepy as we age. And that's the key here.
And so, I research, and I have to have like full conviction in whatever I offer. So personally, I've gone through, as I shared with you, as soon as last week, I had another round of plasma removal.
Yeah, I know.
I had like total...
That's why when I met you, I'm like, okay, I just want to do everything you do. You're like, do plasmapheresis. And I'm like, I will.
And last week I had 2 vials of cell factors.
Yeah,
I want to share that with you.
Fantastic. Yeah, exactly. And I'm getting these cell factors in tomorrow as the young plasma comes in. Then we're going to put the cell factors with it or after it, whatever you decide. But I'm so excited for that. Yeah.
And then as you've already experienced, we combine a lot of modalities that you already know.
Yeah.
But together, it's just...
Yeah, you were doing red light on me. You were doing PEMF. Wow, I was doing this today, right?
And then the hydrogen...
If I have a little blue around my mouth because she came in with a drug with methylene blue, I mean, you were doing all kinds of stuff,
And then tomorrow, we're going to do the IV NR equivalent. So it's like the precursor of NAD.
Oh, yeah.
And
That's
it's
awesome.
very well tolerated.
This is what you get when you come here.
And we met recently, but we clicked, and I just really love all of your belief and teaching. And, now I get to know you and your family. You guys really live what you preach. And that's really important to me.
Yeah.
And we can always, even you want to optimize.
I do.
And you live
I mean, I was sick, and, I do. I mean, admittedly, I have a PTSD about being sick again. When I was sick, I always said to my wife, I don't fear dying, because that was, when I was sick, that was an easy way out. I feared living my life like I was.
Yeah.
And so that said, I don't ever want to go back. So I want to live long, healthy. I don't want to live long if I don't do it healthy. I watched my father, do that. And his saying was, I'll speak it just as he did. He said, "Son of a bitch, if I'd have known I was going to live so damn long, I'd have taken better care of myself."
The thing I want to add is, even if you are a big fan of stem cell, you plan on doing that, I think at least removing your plasma before doing stem cell would allow the cells to be in a much healthier environment with the right signal. And ideally, and I do offer both. Remove plasma, put in young plasma, cell factor.
And I mean, and doing a big IV of stem cells can be very expensive. This is a cheaper way to do it. So Yeah.
Right. Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Well, tell them where they find you. Dr. Conwen, superstar, but tell them.
So we at austinregen.com. So Austin, REGEN.com. And the name of the practice is Austin Regenerative Therapy in Austin.
Yeah.
So love, to do what we're doing.
Yeah.
And it's a privilege to be able to, have option for people who's interested in optimizing life.
Awesome.
Health.
Well, listen, it's a pleasure and an honor to be here.
Likewise. It's an honor.
I'm so excited. This is just such an incredible
and I'm excited
experience.
to impress you and take your health even to the next level. Why not, right?
I'm going to be telling everybody.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
Thank you. All right. Stay tuned for the next Dr. Pompa podcast. Always something new. We're going to live long, healthy, and we're doing it naturally.